Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss IELTS writing task 2. So the question is, a growing number of people are working from home, that is using a computer and the internet to connect with the office. What are the advantages and disadvantages of working this way? So the question is asking both advantages and disadvantages. So we have to state both. Working from home, remote work. Okay. So let's look at the advantages first. Flexibility. Working from home allows for greater flexibility in scheduling and work-life balance. Employees can better manage their workload and avoid lengthy commutes. Working from home allows better flexibility. You don't have to wake up 6 in the morning to reach the office at 8 in the morning. Okay? You can wake up at 7, have breakfast, and then work on your laptop. Okay? It allows for greater flexibility and you get to spend more time with your family as well. Okay? Second is increased productivity. Many employees report higher productivity levels when working from home due to fewer distractions and a quieter environment. Many employees feel that there are fewer distractions at home. Okay? While in the office, you'll have multiple people coming and talking to you, your friends or your boss. Okay? They'll have few words to chime in. They'll talk about work basically, and there'll be more distractions. Sometimes you'll have a junior associate coming in and asking for help, while in your home that is no longer a possibility. So you'll have a quieter time and therefore you'll be more productive. Okay. Third is the cost savings. Both employers and employees can save money on expenses related to office space, commuting, and other associated costs. Since employees are working from home, employees can save money on real estate. They need not, rent a big place for office, so they can save those costs. Okay, employees are saving their money because they don't have to spend money on fuel. They don't have to spend money out to eat food from outside. Okay, they can eat their home food, and because there is no commute, they can spend the money that is saved on other things. Okay, so it will help both the employer and the employee. What are the disadvantages? Social isolation. Working from home can lead to feelings of isolation and disconnection from colleagues, which can negatively impact mental health and team collaboration. Since one is at the office, he or she can see their friends, talk to them, okay? And that leads to a better camaraderie. Okay? While some employees love social interaction, other employees will not. But people who are extroverts will not like work from home. Okay? They'll feel isolated, they'll feel tired because they have nobody to talk to. Okay? The second is work life balance. While flexibility is an advantage, some employees may struggle to separate work and personal life, leading to overwork or difficulty unplugging. Since one is working at their home only, the border between work and home goes away. Okay, it vanishes completely. Your work becomes your home, and your home life becomes your work life. Okay, and that leads to stress. Okay, while single people may find it easier, people with families might find it difficult to separate those two phases. Okay. Third is communication challenges. Remote teams may face difficulties in communication, coordination, and building strong working relationships, especially if not properly managed. Sometimes it is very difficult to explain a thing over a video call, while it is easier to manage a task when you are present physically. Okay, so many people may find it difficult to even understand a topic or a work assignment when the employees are meeting over the video call. Okay, also because you are on Zoom, it is very difficult to have a social connection. While humans, we have not been wired basically talk over video call. We've always loved social interaction, physical interaction, and not digital interaction. Okay, so this was IELTS writing task 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button